Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Yeah, my friend Fuji is here.
YouTube land, I am here. Right? 2 videos ago, them scandal me, but I am here, which means I'm COVID free. So I told them I have to get to dance, right? So them have to bust the COVID, the Omicron. Them have to bust the Omicron. So I think that's what's gonna happen now. Right. We need the Omicron.
I'm mostly on my crowd for my friend, and I mean,
Oh, put your back in it.
Yes.
mostly on my crowd. That was the Omicron. Yeah, my friend is here.
I can't manage today.
This one.
Yeah, we just have up on the celebrity channel.
Up on the channel. Up on the channel.
A few moments later.
So my friend from Trinidad, and she make a wheat brownie. And you know, you take a little piece. I said, nothing I go on, man. I take a piece more. And then when they reach me now, man, I say, let's like, I see 2 doors. And one, clearly, like, but I'm mad. It's like, when you go there, so, but I'm say, God, if you take me out, I never, ever do. So, Gregory, you take me like 5 minutes in the bed to go to the bathroom. I have to coach myself. I have to talk to myself. So just move, put it on your shoes. I'm about in the clothes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Ready? And let me tell myself, alright, drink some water. You know how long it takes to reach the shoes? Edibles? Don't play with that. Stoners, don't play with the edibles. Smoke your weed, but don't play with the edibles.
Next, you have something to say on the matter. You have something to say on the matter.
Get some edible gummy bears with some friends, and we decided to go to Margaritaville on Friday night. All of us ate one, you know. 2 hours past, Lexi not feel nothing. That's soft, man.
Yeah,
One
man.
more.
Really?
I shouldn't have.
Really?
Because they feel I'm moving at slow motion.
Yes.
Like, everything else I go fast and me think me I go fast with it, but really me not move.
Yes, girl.
One time my friend say, Lexi, why you do something? I say, me I get up. She said no. Because in my mind me already get up, but in reality, me don't move. Yeah, man. One of my friends that went to the find her, you know, find her in the bathroom, you know, find the face base with them, just as, cause she just go in the feel nice and tired and just lie down. Just lie right down. Kids.
No, kids.
Kids.
Don't leave the edibles.
Leave them edibles.
A few moments later.
The service was good. Service was good. A1, yeah, give them thumbs up for service. The time to bring the food compared to other places, you give them a props for that. Yeah, the seafood showed out really nice, really nice. The stamp and go, I've had better, but you know.
And they were very small.
Right, and mommy says they were very small. Stamp and go was very small.
But the sauce.
But the sauce was
That
nice.
sauce was
The sauce was good, right? You see now they over fried though, so the coat was a little harder than it could have been. The salmon now, the salmon was alright. I think even Pier 1 have a better salmon, to be honest. The salmon was alright.
I wanted more from that sauce because she really did not talk big about the
Yes.
sauce. And,
She sell the sauce
yeah,
too,
she
man.
sell
Yeah.
the sauce and you know,
Me when I like honey,
Yeah.
Yeah, one,
actually
try
ordered
the honey
someone.
business.
I was looking for more, so maybe the salmon is like
You pass, you know,
it
feel.
passed, but
It's an ABC. Yeah, ABC scale.
Then go ABC for the
It's a B
scale.
minus. It's a B minus.
we give it
It's a
some
B
of
minus. A B
no.
minus.
And we are rated food today. That's all
That
the
amaretto sour, honey. Sour hour.
Yeah. Amaretto soda then showing them, man.
Nice,
Show
nice.
the drink was
Big
good.
glass, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, that
We love.
Yes.
And we love cherries on top, so
Yes.
yes.
So basically, I don't prefer the drink more than the
food.
No, the seafood chowder.
Yeah,
Win.
that was okay. Yeah.
Win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 pieces of carrot and 2 pieces of bean.
Right.
Hard bean.
Right. So mommy said the beans were hard. The string
They
beans
were
could have been
very
softer,
They
she
could
says.
have then just
yeah,
probably
for
toss
real.
them
The string
around.
beans
Right.
them did hard.
Right.
Yes, they
Yeah, I
were
didn't
very
get them.
hard.
So we're tough critics, YouTube world. We're tough critics, but we're with the food bloggers. So you know we have to give these. We have to go in detail. But I'd recommend Yacht Club. I'd recommend.
It's still recommended, alright?
Yeah, I would.
Recommend, yeah.
Still nice vibe.
It's
nice
a good
scenery.
vibe.
And they have a nice atmosphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
The ambience, wicked feature one.
Yeah.
I love the
Yes.
the whole blue light setting and the whole setting nice.
Yeah.
The conducive, like date night. We can see them all next week when Valentine's.
Oh man,
yes,
it's
yes.
yeah, it's gonna be
Handful.
yum.
You can just imagine how they go
Yeah.
do the decor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can see it. We can see it. Believe me. I had the chicken burger. Yo, that chicken burger nice. The chicken done properly. Believe me, it. I had the Popeyes. What name? That chicken burger that Popeye have. Chicken
Oh,
sandwich.
the chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
Famous chicken
The famous chicken sandwich that Popeye have. Something like that, but the chicken more tender. The chicken breast way more tender than. It almost remind me of Zing Burger in a Florida.
Oh, see.
Yeah, just that it don't have the pear in there, the avocado. Yeah,
They
but
had the
it,
turkey burger. As the
Zing Burger,
burger.
yeah. You almost remind me of the burger there. Just that it don't have the avocado in there. But yeah, the burger nice. We enjoy my burger. Because believe me, when me order the burger, I change my mind and I go over salmon.
Yeah, you change your mind and I can't well see.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, can't Alexi.
Yes. See what I want?
I just get in.
Yeah. That's say I go back at work.
Big more Lexi.
I'm not opposed to being brought away.
You get when I review, man.
Yeah.
But in the seat and then they laugh.
I'm telling you.
Send it to me, say me carry Lexi.
But Greg in today.
Yeah, me talk to my burger. Yeah, man. For real, when they change my mind for the burger and then tell me, say, oh, it's too late.
Yeah.
So, I never mind the burger at all. Yeah, man, but big up Shadika though. She was our server.
Right.
You know what I mean? You know, I normally get selfie with my server them because, you know, when the vibes right, because some of them, I don't hear nor there. So people spend their hard-earned money for the restaurant, you know, and free money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Hard work people put in for their money. So when they go to a restaurant,
Yeah.
they expect to get
Good service.
From service to
service.
straight back.
proper
taste,
food.
yeah.
You know what I mean? You're on a Burger King.
Don't.
Ah.
Even Burger King more on good service. Me still have spend my money.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah. So yeah, we did everything that we were supposed to, which was number one, do the Omicron dance to Fujo. Keep up our end of the bargain, our end of the deal. We did that.
And I made a comment about it, so go back to that video and look.
Yeah.
You did.
They're saying when I see them,
Yeah.
they must do the dance, and they lived up to it. Right?
Didn't we?
We lived up to it.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, share.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's right.
So,